Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Archer AR5 AX3000 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, connect the Archer AR5 to a wall power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED on the extender turns solid white, this means it's ready to connect. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds, the WPS LED on your router should start blinking, showing it's ready to pair with the extend. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Archer AR5. The signal LED on the extender will begin blinking, meaning it's trying to connect to your router's Wi-Fi network. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the signal LED will turn solid white or green, which means the connection between your router and extender is successful. If the LED turns red or orange, it means the connection is weak. Try moving the extender closer to the router and repeat the process. Once the connection is established, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Your TP-Link Archer AR5 is now successfully set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.